welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are starting the problems on the kinetic theory of a gases. Now let us consider the first problem. Now, how many degrees of freedom are associated with 1 mole of a triatomic rigid molecule at the room temperature? Now here we have to find the degrees of the freedom. Okay, and that they have given that for the triatomic rigid molecule. Now in this condition we have to consider a triatomic molecule. We know that a triatomic molecule has 6 degree of freedom. Has 6 degree of freedom. Now this we have studied in our theory part. Okay. Now from that we are considering it is having the 6 degree of freedom. Now in this case we are considering the 1 mole or the 1 molecule of the Avogadro number. Of an Avogadro number here we are considering the formula. F is equal to we are considering the Avogadro number 1 into or n8. Or we can also consider the 6 degree of the freedom. In this condition we are writing 6 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Or the calculation part. Okay. For this we have to calculate here. F means what we are considering the degrees of the freedom, and 6 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. The total answer we are getting has 3.61 into 10 raised to 24. Therefore, the number of the degrees freedom with 1 mole of the triatomic rigid molecule is equal to how much? 3.61 into 10 raised to 24. Okay, this is the answer. In this condition, we know that in our theory class we have studied that the degrees of the freedom for a triatomic we are considering as n is equal to 6. By using that only we have considered here. Therefore, answer is 3.61 into 10 raised to 24. Next question. Find the number of the molecules in 1 centimeter cube of an ideal gas at 0 degree Celsius and at a pressure of 10 raised to minus 5 millimeter of the mercury. Here we have to find the number of the molecules in 1 centimeter cube of an ideal gas at 0 degree Celsius. Now let us consider B is equal to we are considering value 1 centimeter cube. Next, they have given the temperature at 0 degree Celsius. We are converting this into Kelvin. This can be written as 0 degree Celsius is equal to 0 plus 273 is equal to 273 Kelvin. Next, at a pressure of 10 raised to minus 5 millimeter, and they have given that P is equal to 10 raised to minus 5 millimeter of a mercury, that is H into G of mercury Hg. Now by using this we are considering the equation that is an ideal gas or a perfect gas. We know that equation Pv is equal to nRT for an ideal gas. Here we have to find the numbers. Okay, n is equal to question mark. Now next, the formula can be written as n is equal to Pv by RT. We know that pressure P is equal to rho GH. Therefore, rho GH into V by R into T. Now put all the values. We are getting the answer as 0.0 Here the calculation part, we are putting the values of rho g x. Rho is 13.6 into 10 raised to 3 into g 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to minus 6 whole divided by 8.31 into 273. Therefore, the total answer for this we are getting here 5.875 into 10 raised to minus 13. This is the small n. The value of the n is 5.875 into 10 raised to minus 13. In this condition, we have to find the number of the molecules. Number of molecules. Here we are considering Na into n. Or this can be written as Avogadro number. Answer is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 into 5.875 into 10 raised to minus 13. The calculation part for the number of the molecules is 3.538 into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to 11. We are getting the answer as 10 raised to 11. Here in the question, the number of the molecules. Okay, just we have find by using an ideal gas n is equal to 5.875 into 10 raised to minus 13. They have asked we have to find the number of the molecules. Formula Na into n. The total calculation part for this 3.538 into 10 raised to 11. Next question. A vessel of a value 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube contains an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin and 200 Kelvin Pascal. The gas is allowed to leak till the pressure falls to 125 kilopascal. Calculate the amount of the gas. This answer should be written in the mole. Assuming that the temperature remains constant. Here they are told that temperature should be constant and we have to find the amount of the gas. Okay, we have to calculate the amount of the gas in the mole. Now let us consider the gas as the gas leaks. Now as the gas leaks out, the temperature we are considering that the volume and the temperature. The value and the temperature does not get changed. It does not get changed. And we can tell that the amount of the gas goes on decreasing. Here we can tell that the amount of the gas goes on decreasing. Now, according to this, we can tell that the number of the moles of the gas in a vessel, Now, to solve this, we know that the equation, that is the ideal gas or a perfect gas, there we have taken PV is equal to nRT. By using that, we are telling that N is equal to PV by RT. Now what we are considering, number of the moles of the gas, just we are considering in a vessel. Formula N is equal to PV by RT. In the same way, we are considering the number of the moles, before the leakage of a gas in a vessel. We are considering N1 is equal to, we are taking that N1 is equal to P1 V by RT. Now next, in the same way, we are considering again one more, the number of the moles. Here we are considering before Here we have taken that the number of the moles after the leakage of a gas in a vessel. Okay. Same way we have taken after here. Now next we can write N2 is equal to P2V by RT. So first one we are considering in a gas molecule, second one before the leakage, and last one is your after the leakage. Therefore, now next we have to find the amount of the gas leakage. Next we are considering the amount of gas leakage here we are considering N1 minus N2. N1 minus N2 is equal to P1V by RT minus P2V by RT. Now in this condition, just we are putting the value, or this can be also written as P1 minus P2 by RT, or V is the common term, V by RT. Now just we have to put the values P1, V and RT. Now next, here according to the question we have taken pressure P1 is equal to 200, next P2 is equal to 125 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter square, and V is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, R is equal to 8.3 joule per mole per Kelvin, and T is equal to 300 Kelvin. Now just put all this in equation. Now P1 minus P2 into V by RT. Okay. We are putting the values P1 200 minus 125 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter square. Next into V, 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, whole divided by R into T, 8.3 into 300 Kelvin. Now the total answer we are getting here 0.24 mole, or this can be also written in the form of 0.24 mole. Here, according to the question, we have to find that calculate the amount of the gas. The answer should be in the mole. Therefore, the amount of the gas is 0.24 mole. Now, next question. Estimate the mean free path of a molecule of air at 27 degrees Celsius and at 1 atmospheric pressure, given that the average radius of each air molecule is 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now first we have to write here given term. Let us consider K is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. Now they have given that temperature is at 27 degrees Celsius. 27, or this can be written as 27 plus 273 is equal to 300 Kelvin. Next, they have given the radius of each molecule. Now we are considering the diameter, 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now they have given that 1 atmospheric pressure. Therefore, P is equal to, we are considering 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Now next, according to this, here we have to find the lambda. Lambda is equal to question mark formula, lambda is equal to kBT by root of 2 pi into d square p. Now put all the values. Therefore, lambda is equal to kb means 1.38, Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 into 300 divided by root of 2 pi into d square p. The value of d is 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 square and pressure is 1.013 into 10 raised to 5. Therefore, the value of the lambda, we are getting the answer as 5.75 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Therefore, according to the question, we have to estimate the mean free path of a molecule. Therefore, the answer of the mean free path of a molecule is 5.75 into 10 raised to 8 meter.